If you want to download the Epic Game Store on your computer, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and simple way. Whether you want to play Fortnite, Rocket League, or any of the other games in the Epic Games library, getting the launcher installed is the first thing you need to do. And don't worry, this is very easy to follow, even if you've never installed it before. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides, just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Epic Games website. This is the safest place to download the launcher because it ensures you're getting the real version directly from Epic. Once the website loads, look for the button that says Download Epic Games Launcher and click it. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file to your computer. After the download is finished, find the file in your Downloads folder or in the bottom of your browser window. Then open it to start the setup process. If your device asks for permission to run the file, choose Yes or Allow so the installer can continue. Next, the Epic Games setup window will appear. Here, click Install and wait for the setup to finish. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and computer performance, so just let it complete without closing the window. Once the installation is done, the Epic Games launcher will be installed on your device and you'll be ready to sign in or create an account and start downloading games. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Epic Games Store. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.